What's up, guys? Charles here. Cooler Master, a global leader in PC components and tech lifestyle solutions, today announced the MasterFrame 400 Mesh, a compact PC case that brings the signature MasterFrame design language to a more accessible, desk-friendly format. The MasterFrame 400 Mesh delivers FreeForm 2.0 modularity in a simplified build experience. It offers dual orientation for vertical or horizontal setups, repositionable brackets, and mesh-optimized airflow so builders can tailor layout and thermals with confidence. The result is a compact footprint that still supports serious hardware. The case is engineered for Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX systems and supports high-performance components without compromise. Builders can install GPUs up to 390 millimeters and air coolers up to 190 millimeters. Cooling headroom is extensive, with support for up to 9 fans and multiple radiators, including top-mounted 360mm options. A full front mesh panel maximizes intake, while a tempered glass side panel creates a clean, refined showcase. The MasterFrame 400 Mesh is about lowering the barrier to creative builds, said Wei Yang, General Manager of Cooler Master North America. You should not need a large case or have advanced experience to explore modular design. This brings the MasterFrame idea to more people in a way that feels guided, intuitive, and fun. The MasterFrame 400 Mesh connects FreeForm 2.0 and Thermal Excellence, two design themes for Cooler Master this year. Its approachable modularity reflects FreeForm's promise of customization that stays practical. Its generous cooling support and mesh-first design reinforce thermal excellence by moving more air with fewer obstacles, even in small spaces. The MasterFrame 400 Mesh is designed for gamers, content creators, and builders who want the MasterFrame experience in a compact case that is easier to set up and upgrade. It is the most accessible entry in the MasterFrame family and brings airflow, compatibility, and presentation together in a stylish design. And that's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.